Hello, gals and guys. Welcome back to The Big Sweep. Are you feeling overwhelmed by a living space that resembles a post-apocalyptic craft store explosion? Don't worry. Even amidst the Mount Doom of mess, we're here to help with the 10-minute tidy-up. Quick cleaning hacks from The Big Sweep. Think of it as a commando raid on clutter, leaving no dust bunny untouched. So grab your cleaning buddies, furry, imaginary, or otherwise, we don't judge. Crank up some tunes, and let's banish the chaos together. Mission Briefing: 10 quick cleaning hacks for maximum impact. Remember, we're aiming for speed and efficiency, not a complete overhaul. Think of this as a ninja mission, eliminating clutter with stealth and precision. Hack number 1, the one-touch rule: become a put-away ninja. Imagine you have superpowers. With every item you touch, you instantly zap it to its rightful place. That's the magic of the one-touch rule. No more dropping things on temporary surfaces that mysteriously become permanent clutter zones. Fold that laundry with the grace of a laundry folding sensei. Return that book with the swiftness of a literary ninja. And put away that cup with the precision of a hydration hero. One touch, one victory. Soon, your home will become a testament to your clutter-conquering skills, with everything effortlessly finding its place. Hack number 2, the Basket Blitz: assemble the clutter crusaders. Grab your trusty cleaning basket, think of it as Captain Tidy's trusty steed, and embark on a valiant quest to collect misplaced items. Toys left astray? Books yearning for their shelf? Clothes longing for the closet? Round them up! Recruit them into your tidy army! Give them themed baskets for extra fun. Toy Brigade, Book Battalion, Sock Squadron. Let your imagination run wild. Remember, a united front conquers clutter quicker. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your home transformed into a playground for organized toys, a library for content books, and a fashion haven for neatly folded clothes. Hack number 3, the flat surface focus: clear the decks for success. Flat surfaces are notorious magnets for clutter. Think countertops, tables, desks. Anything horizontal becomes a prime staging ground for miscellaneous chaos. Our 10-minute mission is to clear these zones with the precision of a laser. Even if it means temporarily relocating things, think of it as a strategic maneuver. A clutter-free surface instantly creates a sense of calm and control. Imagine your coffee table transformed into a serene landing pad for your evening tea. Your desk into a command center for productivity. And your countertops into a culinary canvas, ready for your next masterpiece. Hack number 4, the Fold Fluff: instant living room refresh. Let's face it, even the tidiest room can look disheveled if cushions are slumped, blankets are wrinkled, and pillows are scattered like fallen leaves. Take 30 seconds to become a master fluffmeister. Plump up cushions like you're preparing them for royalty. Fold blankets with the neatness of a professional origami artist. And arrange pillows with the precision of an interior design champion. You'll be amazed at how this simple act transforms your living space into an oasis of order. Imagine sinking into your newly fluffed cushions, feeling the zen of perfectly folded blankets, and resting your head on a cloud of meticulously arranged pillows. Pure bliss. Hack number 5, the wipe down wonder: unleash the microfiber might. Dust bunnies tremble, for the microfiber cloth has arrived. Grab your trusty warrior and embark on a dust-busting crusade. Target shelves, windowsills, electronics, and any other surface that harbors the enemy. Remember, speed is key. Think of yourself as a dust-busting samurai, wielding your microfiber cloth with lightning-fast swipes. A quick polish here and there makes a world of difference, leaving your space feeling instantly brighter and fresher. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing dust bunnies vanquished at your feet, your surfaces gleaming like polished armor and sunlight dancing off the dust. Free haven you've created. Hack 6, the dish dash: conquer the kitchen kraken. Imagine your sink overflowing with dishes, a monstrous kraken threatening to engulf your entire kitchen. No fear, brave clean fighter, the dish dash is here. Put on your favorite upbeat music, think epic battle theme, and set a timer for 5 minutes. Become a dishwashing dynamo, tackling plates with the might of a warrior, conquering cutlery with the precision of a samurai, and vanquishing greasy foes with the speed of a ninja. Remember, you're not just cleaning dishes, you're slaying a fearsome beast. With each sparkling plate and gleaming utensil, the Kraken shrinks and your kitchen emerges victorious. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing the sink transformed into a shimmering oasis. The counter is cleared for culinary adventures, and the Kraken vanquished, leaving only the faint scent of victory, aka dish soap, in its wake. Hack number 7. The quick vacuum. Suck away the messy minions. Think of dust bunnies and crumbs as an army of mischievous minions, hiding in every nook and cranny. But don't be afraid, for the mighty vacuum cleaner is your ally. A 5-minute vacuum run might seem insignificant, but trust us, it's a game changer. Imagine yourself as a superhero wielding the vacuum cleaner like a magical weapon, sucking away the messy minions with precision and power. See them disappear into the dust chamber, their reign of terror over. Your floors, once a minefield of clutter, are now transformed into smooth, clean plains, ready for epic dance parties or sock-sliding adventures. Remember, even small victories against the minions of mess make a big difference, leaving your space feeling instantly cleaner and more inviting. Hack number 8. The mirror shine. Reflect your tidy triumph. Mirrors, often overlooked, can harbor dust and grime, distorting the reflection of your sparkling clean efforts. Don't let them. Grab your all-natural glass cleaner and become a mirror polishing knight. Imagine the dust and grime as a layer of evil spells cast upon the mirror, hiding its true potential. With each swipe of your cleaning cloth, you break the spells, revealing the mirror's true beauty and reflecting your tidy triumph back at you. See the sparkle return to the glass, the light bounce off its surface, and your clean space mirrored in all its glory. Remember, a polished mirror not only adds a touch of elegance, but also serves as a constant reminder of your cleaning prowess, motivating you to maintain your sparkling kingdom. Hack number 9. The sensational. Awaken the aroma Avengers. Now that your space is looking sharp, let's elevate the sensory experience. Imagine your home being filled with the refreshing scent of a citrus grove, the calming aroma of lavender fields, or the invigorating energy of eucalyptus forests. Light a candle with a fresh scent, diffuse some essential oils, or open a window to let in the natural fragrance. Think of these scents as aroma avengers, banishing stale air and replacing it with an invigorating atmosphere. Imagine taking a deep breath and feeling the scent fill your lungs, transporting you to a place of peace, focus, or joy. Remember, a pleasant aroma adds the finishing touch to your cleaning mission, creating a truly inviting and invigorating environment that nourishes your senses and soul. Hack number 10. The plant power. Give your green friends some love. Imagine your plants as leafy companions, silently cheering you on during your cleaning adventures. Take a moment to give them some TLC. Water them if needed, wipe dust off their leaves, and arrange them neatly. Think of it as a reward for their unwavering support. Imagine the leaves glistening with newfound vitality, the vibrant colors popping against the clean backdrop, and your green friends thriving in their organized haven. Remember, healthy plants not only add life to your space, but also contribute to a cleaner, more oxygenated environment, a testament to your holistic approach to creating a clean and healthy home. Remember, cleaning enthusiasts, consistency is key. Even small cleaning bursts can make a big difference. So grab your cleaning buddies, put on some tunes, and let's conquer the chaos together. Don't forget to share your own cleaning hacks in the comments below. Click here for more quick cleaning tips. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.